Alright, so on this '08 Cadillac DTS, got the brake switch here. That's the part number for it. It's FUBAR. If you don't know what that means, too bad. Anyway, now this is what it looks like. It's a funny little contraption. Let's see how to get to it. Now, on here, on this driver's side kick panel here, I guess you might say a knee panel, there's two bolts here, 2 8mm, one there, one there. Let's see if we can get a better look. There's one there, and I've already taken them out, of course, and one there. Okay, and this comes out. Of course, it's loose, obviously, but it has these little sliding clips that go in there, and you have to kind of fiddle around with it to get it out, but it comes out without too much trouble. And of course, this next thing, it doesn't always fall out like this, obviously, but it has these push pins in it. So you get you a tool that looks like this, and you pop those little fellers out. Put this over there somewhere without destroying it. All right, done with that. And that brake switch is right there. Now I've unplugged it already, obviously, but this is a plug for it. It's not too hard of a deal to push, but you just push that little fellow like that. So let me get that brake switch situation under control here and get you a better idea of what's going on. Hold on a sec. Alright, so the next step is to take this gas pedal assembly off, okay, so that you can get to it, because that bolt that bolts into this little guy bolts in from the back. Okay, so it sets like that, and the bolt comes in from over here from the right. I'll put this up there so everybody can have a good look. There it is. That's the little critter right there. So, got to take that one out. Looks like it's got a Torx on it. So, we'll get a Torx and we'll handle the situation. Alright, so I said it was a Torx, but it's actually a square drive, Allen drive. So once you get that little guy loose there, unscrew it. And you wonder to yourself why they built it that way. I guess that's the way they wanted it. Alright, so kind of have to, it has an alignment pin in it, so you kind of have to hold it with the alignment pin in the right spot till you get to a certain point, because see how it wants to pop out. So kind of have to reset it, and you can get it with your fingers. There we go. A little rascal. It's in a tricky spot. And it's like a mousetrap, isn't it? So, needless to say, it may take two hands. I think I got it up far enough. There we go. Now, I wouldn't torque the fire out of this. Just give it a nice turn, maybe 100 inch-pounds at the most. Then you put all this junk back together. So, I hope this helps somebody. And you guys can put it back together fairly easily. Have a good day.